Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 endangered animals you need to know about. From the lush rainforests to the frozen Arctic, our planet is home to an astonishing array of creatures, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. However, the natural world is facing unprecedented challenges, pushing many species to the brink of extinction. These incredible creatures are facing an uncertain future, and it's up to us to help save them. In this series, we will embark on a journey to the far corners of the globe, shedding light on the plight of these endangered animals and exploring the tireless efforts being made to protect them. The Javan rhino, once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, is now critically endangered, with the population estimated to be fewer than 100 individuals. Confined to a single national park in Java, Indonesia, these magnificent creatures face relentless pressure from habitat loss, poaching, and human encroachment. Organizations like the International Rhino Foundation are working tirelessly to protect the Javan rhino, implementing anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration projects, and community engagement programs. Despite the challenges, there is hope. With continued conservation efforts and global cooperation, we can strive to secure a future for this iconic species. The fate of the Javan rhino hangs in the balance, reminding us of the urgent need to protect our planet's biodiversity. In the Gulf of California, a small porpoise known as the vaquita is fighting for survival. With fewer than 10 individuals remaining, it is the most endangered marine mammal in the world. The vaquita's decline is a stark reminder of the devastating impact of illegal fishing practices. They often become entangled and drown in gill nets, particularly those used to catch totoaba, a fish highly valued in some cultures. Efforts to save the vaquita have been met with challenges, including the difficulty of detecting and monitoring these elusive creatures. However, organizations like the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society are working tirelessly to remove illegal gill nets and raise awareness about the vaquita's plight. The fate of the vaquita rests on our collective action to eliminate illegal fishing and protect our oceans. In the dense forests of Central Africa, the mountain gorilla, a close relative of humans, is a testament to the power of conservation. Once on the brink of extinction, the mountain gorilla population has shown remarkable recovery thanks to decades of dedicated conservation efforts. Organizations like the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund have played a pivotal role in protecting these gentle giants through habitat preservation, anti-poaching patrols, and community engagement. The mountain gorilla's story serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that with unwavering commitment, we can reverse the decline of even the most vulnerable species. Their survival is a testament to the power of collaboration, reminding us that together we can make a difference. The tiger, an apex predator and an icon of conservation, is facing a perilous future. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and human encroachment, has fragmented their populations and pushed them into closer contact with humans. Poaching for their skin, bones, and other body parts, fueled by illegal wildlife trade, remains a significant threat to their survival. Organizations like the Worldwide Fund for Nature, or WWF, are working to protect tigers through habitat conservation, anti-poaching efforts, and by addressing the root causes of wildlife crime. The future of tigers depends on our collective action to protect their remaining habitats, combat poaching, and reduce demand for tiger products. Their survival is intertwined with the health of our planet, reminding us that the loss of one species can have cascading effects on entire ecosystems. The Asian elephant, a symbol of wisdom and strength, is facing increasing pressure from human activities. Habitat loss driven by deforestation, agriculture and infrastructure development has fragmented their populations and forced them into closer proximity to humans. This often leads to human-wildlife conflict as elephants raid crops and damage property, resulting in retaliation and elephant deaths. Organizations like Save the Elephants are working to mitigate human-elephant conflict through community outreach, elephant corridors, and by promoting sustainable land use practices. Their efforts focus on fostering coexistence between humans and elephants, ensuring the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. The fate of the Asian elephant rests on our ability to balance human needs with the conservation of this iconic species. In the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, the orangutan, a highly intelligent and arboreal ape, is facing a dire situation. Deforestation driven by the expansion of palm oil plantations, illegal logging and mining is decimating their habitat. The loss of their forest homes not only robs them of food and shelter, but also increases their vulnerability to poaching and the illegal pet trade. Organizations like the Orangutan Foundation International are working to protect orangutans through habitat restoration, rescue and rehabilitation efforts, and by promoting sustainable palm oil production. Their work is crucial in raising awareness about the plight of orangutans and inspiring action to protect these incredible creatures and their rainforest homes. The future of orangutans depends on our choices as consumers and our willingness to support sustainable practices. The leatherback turtle, the largest of all living turtles, is an ancient mariner that has roamed our oceans for millions of years. Today, these magnificent creatures face a growing number of threats, pushing them towards extinction. Plastic pollution is a major concern, as leatherbacks often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a staple of their diet. Entanglement in fishing gear, particularly gill nets and long lines, is another significant threat. Climate change also poses a risk, as rising sea levels and temperatures disrupt their nesting sites and affect the sex ratios of their offspring. Organizations like Oceana are working to protect leatherback turtles through advocacy for responsible fishing practices, reducing plastic pollution, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Their efforts are crucial in ensuring the survival of this ancient species for generations to come. High in the Himalayas, the elusive snow leopard, known for its stunning beauty and remarkable adaptability, is facing an uncertain future. Climate change is shrinking their alpine habitat, forcing them into closer contact with humans and increasing competition for resources. Poaching for their fur and bones, fueled by illegal wildlife trade, remains a constant threat. Retaliatory killings by herders who perceive snow leopards as a threat to their livestock further exacerbate the situation. Organizations like the Snow Leopard Trust are working to protect these elusive cats through community-based conservation programs, anti-poaching efforts, and by promoting sustainable livelihoods for local communities. Their work is crucial in ensuring the long-term survival of the snow leopard and preserving the delicate balance of the Himalayan ecosystem. In the Russian Far East, the Amur leopard, the world's rarest cat, is clinging to survival. With fewer than 100 individuals left in the wild, they are critically endangered, facing an array of threats that push them closer to the brink. Habitat loss due to deforestation, driven by logging and agricultural expansion, has fragmented their populations and reduced their prey base. Poaching for their beautiful fur and other body parts remains a constant threat. Organizations like the Wildlife Conservation Society, WCS, are working tirelessly to protect Amur leopards through anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, and by engaging with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflict. On the Indonesian island of Sumatra, the Sumatran orangutan, a critically endangered great ape, is facing a fight for survival. Deforestation, driven by the expansion of palm oil plantations, illegal logging and mining, is rapidly destroying their rainforest home. This habitat loss brings them into closer contact with humans, leading to increased conflict and the risk of poaching and capture for the illegal pet trade. Organizations like the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program, SOCP, are working tirelessly to protect Sumatran orangutans through habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and by rescuing and rehabilitating displaced orangutans. Their efforts are crucial in ensuring the survival of this critically endangered species and preserving the biodiversity of the Sumatran rainforest. Thank you for watching. As we've journeyed to the far corners of the globe and witnessed the plight of these endangered animals, I hope you've been inspired by the tireless efforts of those working to protect them. The challenges are immense, but we must remain hopeful. Remember, every small action can make a big difference in saving these magnificent animals. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our ecological footprint and advocating for change, we can collectively make a difference. Let's work together to protect our planet's biodiversity and ensure that future generations can marvel at the wonders of the natural world.